Woo! So we're back in the G35, Hiro's G35.
Yeah.
What's the project name of this?
Project G. First timers.
Project G. So we are taking the car to get alignment. So obviously you guys saw the first two parts. If you guys didn't, go and check up. Yeah, in the right hand. I keep going to the left. To your left, right. I know. I keep saying that. I'm sorry, guys. But yes, on the right hand side, go and check them out. Start at the first video so you guys can see what we did.
Part one's the front end. Part two is the rear end.
Yeah.
Part three is the alignment.
Yeah. Part three is right now. Woo. So anyway, we're taking it to our guy in Camarillo. So he does some amazing work, and yeah, we're gonna get this done and all that fun stuff. So we'll get back to you when we get there, guys, so we can actually yeah, talk about the alignment, why we're getting the alignment and all that fun stuff.
Alignment guys test driving the car, making sure what's what, I guess. He just wants to see how it feels before he goes in alignment. Oh, I hope he, okay, good. He knows how, he knows how to do it.
He knows, yeah.
Alright, that's good. He's like,
he's taking it slow.
Right,
he knows it's slow.
He knows, man, he's 61, you said?
Yeah.
He knows how to drive lowered cars.
No, well, obviously, he works on a lot of suspension. A lot of cars take the cars to the track and stuff like that. He's an awesome dude. His name's Renee. Definitely check him out. Camarillo alignment if you're out here, or even if you're in the valley. He actually has a lot of fun cars. Yeah. Blazer. He has a truck, other things. He's
into bikes.
He's into motorcycles. Yeah. So I forget what style motorcycle he has. Those are just dirt bikes. He has actual motorcycles. So. Yeah, so as he said, he's 61 going on 25. So but yeah, so we'll come back when the car is on the alignment rack, and then we'll go from there.
All right.
Woo!
Yeah. All right, you guys, car's on the alignment rack. It's being worked on right now.
So we are done.
All right, so
we are out on the road.
Alignment is straight. We were just out on the road here. We just test drove it, and just wanted to show the car off now with its lowered stance. Everything's in the green. She tracks straight. I didn't ask for any crazy alignment. I just kept it so it's geared for tire wear. Can't pee right there.
Yeah, I know.
See that? Yeah, so pretty happy with it so far.
Yeah, it looks good, feels good. Not just pretty happy, he was ecstatic while he was driving.
Oh yeah.
So it felt really good. The rolling resistance felt really good.
Yeah, it needs to be driven more. I want to test it in the canyons.
Yep, and we're gonna actually go do that in a few minutes. It'll probably be in the dark for you guys, but we'll showcase that in a few. Okay, so you guys can definitely see that there as well. Yep. So we'll get some night driving in there, canyon rides. Here's all that good stuff.
Front end.
Thumbs up there.
Yeah.
Get that in there, of course.
There's the front. I'll show you the rear.
The main reason we're doing this, guys, is because we did have some other people in one of our other videos complain that we didn't showcase what the springs did for another vehicle.
Yeah, before and afters, yeah.
So we're trying to do that now. We're trying to get it so you guys can kind of see it. How low do you think you are right now from the factory?
From factory, I think I lowered about an inch and a half.
Inch and a half.
Front and rear, yeah.
Okay, so an inch and a half isn't too bad. That's good.
No, yeah, it's not tucked. It looks tucked when you're standing up here, but when you go when you go eye level,
it feels good. Yeah, you can feel the top of the tire. It doesn't feel like you're gonna hit either.
Nope.
So that's good.
So yeah. So this was part 3. Make sure to hit that like if you like this video.
Yeah.
Scroll down to the bottom right, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel.
And don't forget, stay tuned. We're going to be doing some night canyon running really fast.
Yeah.
So you'll see it here in a second.
Yeah.
All right, first run through. through the canyon here, so we'll let you guys see it.
Oh, he's driving slow. Still getting used to the car. It'll take me a couple rounds to get used to this new setup. But if we haven't said it before, the tires, these Generals that we're riding on, earlier when it was raining, it seriously feels like you're driving on dry. So I'm very, very, very happy with these Generals.
Because as I say, that second one didn't feel like we were turning as hard as the first time.
Right. So that's why I didn't think it was rubbing. But front understeer, okay. How can I combat that without sway bars? These are one of my favorite canyons, guys. It's a short little canyon. It's close. If you just want to test out your suspension, this is a nice canyon. Yeah. Santa Susana Pass, Simi Valley to the valley. San Fernando Valley.
That's it. So don't wear it out, guys. Just like I said, we use it for testing and all that fun stuff, just to see how the suspension does. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, and again, subscribe, like, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you next time, guys.
Later, guys.
Bye.